Hey guys, what's up? Abhijit here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is the UNI card which I have received today, and let's do the quick unboxing. So it comes with a simple packaging, no brown cover or anything like that, no brown boxes, just a plain white simple box. So this is UNI Pay, which is like 1/3 card. Like you spend 9,000 rupees and you pay 3,000 per month. That's how it works, and in case you are making the full payment you get some cash back, unlike other cards. So this is how it reads: say hello to your UNI card, flip for details. And this is a Visa Platinum card with my name inked on it. So this is how it looks like. Let's see what's there inside the box. So this is, you have got a back tag. I'm not sure what this exactly is, a pouch or something with UNI branding. And this is, oh, Toblerone chocolate. I was dying to try this, and I've got a Toblerone chocolate, but it's melted because it wasn't in the fridge. I need to put it in the fridge. I'm not sure what exactly this is. Let me just open this and see. Yeah, I guessed it right. Oh no. This is a UNI mask. That's so cool, man. With UNI branding. Great. And they have this lock kind of system, which is really good because you can adjust it according to your face size, and this doesn't hurt your ears. And even if the elastic gets loose over time, you can always tighten it with this grip. So a nice goodie from UNI. Let me see what is this. Back tag with my name inked on it. Super cool, man. This is nice. This is a nice travel backpack. I'll be using it with UNI branding here. Great. I'm loving it. This is just a, is this a sunboard? Wait, no, this isn't a sunboard. This is just a normal cardboard. I needed a sunboard anyway. So I'm just going to hide my personal details, my card number. So as you can see, it's written here, powered by Sbm Bank, that is Bank of Mauritius. So this is in partnership with Bank of Mauritius, and this is the UNI card. I will get to the details. So guys, this is how the interface of the UNI card looks like. I have locked it with my biometrics. So over here you get all the details. You can check it and pay 1/3. So this is how you can pay it. If you're spending 45,000, you need to pay 15,000 in bill cycle 1, 15,000 in the third bill cycle. And in case you pay the whole amount together in the first billing cycle, you get 1% cashback. And this card is absolutely free. It's lifetime free, no annual charges, no joining fees. Here are all the details. And currently we only accept payment from UPI, net banking, debit card and UNI app only. Okay, so one interesting thing is that you cannot make the payment for this card using Cred or Paytm. Can I load money into Amazon Paytm wallet to withdraw? Not right now. Okay. There is field charge waiver up to 500 per billing cycle. These are, so this is one credit card, and you cannot pay any other credit card bill using the UNI card. So I hope you guys like this video. Do give this video a big thumbs up if you really liked it, and if you need this card, I will put the link in the description below. You can click that link and apply for this card, and if you're eligible you can easily get a limit like basis your credit score. So the limit that I have got is over 1 lakh, but I think the minimum limit is 20,000. So yeah, I am going to use this card, and there are a lot of cashbacks and rewards. So this is how it looks like.